Welcome to day 29 of the Momentum Blueprint. And today we're talking about the one factor that determines success more than talent, intelligence, creativity, or strategy, and that is consistency. Most people believe growth comes from motivation or inspiration, but motivation is temporary. Consistency is what compounds. The truth is, almost everyone starts strong. Very few stay long enough to see results, not because they aren't capable, but because they underestimate how long momentum takes to build. Consistency is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up even when progress feels invisible. Online business and digital marketing operate on delayed rewards. You don't always see immediate feedback for effort, and that's where most people quit. They post for a few weeks, send a few emails, create some content, and when results don't appear instantly, they assume it's not working. In reality, the foundation is being laid. Consistency is what allows small actions to stack. One post becomes 10, 10 becomes 100, one connection becomes a network, one habit becomes an identity. This is how momentum works. Momentum doesn't feel dramatic at first, it feels boring, repetitive, uneventful. But underneath, things are compounding. Algorithms are learning, audiences are recognizing you. Confidence is quietly increasing, skills are sharpening. Most people stop before these invisible shifts turn visible. Another misunderstanding about consistency is thinking it means intensity. It doesn't. Consistency means sustainable action, doing what you can, doing what you can repeat daily or weekly without burning out. It's far better to show up with manageable effort for a year than sprint for a month and disappear. Momentum is created through rhythm, not bursts. When you commit to simple, repeatable actions, you remove decision fatigue. You stop negotiating with yourself. You become reliable to yourself and to your audience. This reliability builds trust. People trust what they see consistently, not what appears occasionally. Consistency also builds confidence. Confidence doesn't come from thinking positively. It comes from evidence. Every time you show up, you prove to yourself that you can. Over time, this self-trust compounds. You stop asking, can I do this? And start asking, how can I improve this? That shift changes everything. From a practical standpoint, consistency clarifies what works. When you show up regularly, patterns emerge. You see which messages resonate, which content performs, which habits move the needle. Inconsistency hides feedback. You can't improve what you don't repeat. This is why most successful creators and business owners are not the most talented. They are the most consistent. They keep going when results are slow. They refined instead of restarting. They stay long enough for momentum to catch up. Consistency also simplifies growth mentally. Instead of chasing new tactics every week, you focus on execution. Instead of constantly restarting, you compound progress. Instead of asking what's next, you deepen what already works. Today's lesson is not about doing more, it's about doing enough, long enough. One post a day beats 10 posts a month. One email a week beats none at all. One improvement repeated beats endless overthinking. Momentum is not loud, it's quiet and steady. If you want to succeed online, ask yourself this honestly. Am I giving this enough time to work? Most people aren't, but those who do are rewarded disproportionately. Consistency turns effort into identity. Identity turns action into habit. Habit turns time into results. That is the real advantage.